Hello, boys and girls. I'm so happy that you are back with me today. So we are on lesson 3.11, and this is adding three numbers. So the essential question is how can you group numbers to add three add-ins? So you can find this lesson on page 137. Page 137. So if you need to pause the video so that you can find this page, please pause it now. All right, so let's continue on. So listen to the problem and show two ways to group and add the numbers. So there are three children at one table, and there are 6 children at another table, and there are 3 children in line. So we need to find out how many children there are. So we want to show two different ways for us to solve this, right? So we have 3 numbers that we need to add together. So we're going to have to group them differently. So let's start with 3 plus 6. So we're going to add those two together. So we're going to have 3 plus 6, which is, so we have 6, 7, 8, 9, because we already learned how to count on from the larger number. So 6, 7, 8, 9, we're counting on. So we have 9 plus, we still have these 3 over here that we need to finish off, right? So we have 9 plus 3 equals, so if you would like to draw a quick picture to help you solve this, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 1, 2, 3. So 9 plus 3 equals 12. Now, I want you to show me another way that you can group these together to find the answer. So instead of using the 3 plus 6, why don't we use 3 plus 3? So let's add 3 plus 3. So I'm going to add 3 plus 3 is what? So 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Plus, we still have this 6 that we need to add. So 6 plus 6. Now, if you would like to draw a quick picture, that is very helpful. So draw a quick picture. So I'm going to draw my quick picture. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. So this is 2 ways of solving for the answer, and it doesn't matter which ones we add up first because we're going to get the final answer of 12. All right, so go ahead and turn to page 138. Again, if you're not finding the page, you can pause this video while you look for the page, please. So now we are on page 138. So it reads, you can group the add-ins in any order and in different ways to find the sum. So here the book tells us that they added 8 and 2 to use the strategy to make a 10. Then added 10 and 6. So they took the 8 and the 2 and they added those together because we know that 8 plus 2 equals 10. So we know that if we have a 10 and we're going to add 6 more, we're going to have 16. So 10 plus 6, because we still have to add that 6 that's there. We didn't use that one yet, right? And that would equal 16. Now, if we added it a different way, so instead of adding the 8 plus 2, what if we ended up adding 6 plus 2? We put those together first. So we're going to add the 6 plus 2, and 6 plus 2 equals 8. But we still have to add this little guy, right? Because we still have that 8 that we still need to add up. So we have to add 8 plus 8. And if you need to draw a quick picture, just draw it here off to the side, wherever you find some space. Draw your quick picture or on your dry erase sheet. Whatever you need to help you solve. You can also use counters or in class we have base 10 blocks. So draw a quick picture to help you solve. and 8 plus 8 equals 16. So it doesn't matter in which order we added these together, we are still going to get the final answer of 16. All right, I'm going to do a few more with you, and then you will do the rest on your own. So the next one, let's go ahead and add, because we already know our base 10 frames, right? We already know our 10 frames. So if I added 6 plus 4, I know that's going to equal 10. So I'm going to take this 6 plus 4, and I'm going to add those together, and that equals 10. So if I have 10, and I'm going to add 10 more, 2 more. So I have 10, and I'm going to add 2 more, that equals 12. So now let's keep going. So now I want to add 4 plus 2. So I'm going to take that 4 and that 2, and I'm going to add them together. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And we're going to add 6 plus 6. So if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video and catch up. So if I'm going to add 6 plus 6, you can draw a quick picture right up here on top. Just a small little space, but you can draw a quick picture. Or you can use your dry erase sheet, okay? So we have 6 plus 6, and what does that equal, boys and girls? It equals 12. So again, it does not matter in what order we added these numbers, they will equal 12. All right, I'm going to do one more with you, and then the rest you will do on your own, okay? So we have 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4, that equals 7. So if I have 7, and we're going to count on from 7. So I'm going to have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I counted 4 more numbers. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 7 plus 4 equals 11. Again, you can draw a quick picture if that helps you. Now, we're going to continue on. So instead of adding the 3 plus 4 this time, I'm going to add the 4 plus 4. Now, because we know our doubles, right? Because we're big first graders, we know our doubles. So we know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. So now I need to count on, starting at the number 8, and I'm going to count on 3 more numbers. So 8, 9, 10, 11. I counted 3 more numbers. So again, it does not matter in which order you counted these numbers or added these numbers up, you will still get the final answer. All right, so boys and girls, you're going to continue on with our lesson. This is on page 138. You are going to add numbers 2, 5, and 0 in different orders. And then you're also going to add 5, 4, and 5. So you're going to do numbers 3, 4, and then for extra practice, I want you to continue on to page 139 and page 140. And page 140, we do have some word problems, so those are pretty interesting. I'd like to go over one word problem with you. So you can pause there. So I want you to go ahead and turn to page 140. If you're still working on page 138 and 139, please pause the video. If you need extra help, I also uploaded a Math on the Spot video for you to reference. All right, so now I'm on page 140. So we can draw a picture, and we're going to write the number sentence. So the sentence reads, Maria has 3 cats. Jim has 2 cats. Cheryl has 5 cats. How many cats do they have? So Maria has 3 cats. Jim has 2 cats. And Cheryl has 5 cats. So we have 3 numbers that we need to add up. So we can add 3 plus 2, and that would give us 5. And we can use our doubles facts because we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So how many cats do they have? They have 10 cats. All right. So boys and girls, that is the end of lesson 3.11. I'll be uploading lesson 3.12 for tomorrow. All righty. I hope you have a great Monday, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.